Guess what I have? It's a parachute, dude.
We're gonna drop him from the sky.
Yeah, we are.
Higher.
Much higher.
Yeah.
This is a dropper thingamawhatsits from droneskyhook.com. This is what it looks like. This is a fantastically designed device available for different kinds of drones. There's a link in the description. But enough of that, let's drop stuff, man. Okay, ideally, you're gonna wanna attach man before it's up in the air. So don't do what I do, but very simply, you just put it on there like that, and then he's good to go and up and away. This is a pretty clever device. It attaches right onto the Mavic, doesn't block any of the sensors. They also have them for the Phantom and I think a couple other drones. Link in the description. So what you'll do is you'll set your arm lights on off to C1 or C2. C2 is what we've selected. And then you toggle that and parachute guy gently falls to the earth. Yay! Where'd he go? I don't see him. Oh, here he comes. Nah, dude, nah, don't go in the trees, dude. We trained you better than that. Oh, no. Is he?
He's in the ground. He'll hit the ground.
Is he good?
Yeah, he's good. He's in the ground.
All right, he made it. If you would like to win a drone skyhook for your drone, here's Brad to tell you how.
Comment below.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Comment below, I don't know. I will pick from those who commented. Thanks for dropping in. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate your support on the channel. Until next time, choo-choo. A choo-choo. Brad? Where you going, buddy? Brad? Brad. Here's what you're missing on side B. Link in the description.
Junk food comes in all shapes and sizes. So in our complex and confusing society, it's good to know that there's a company that still appreciates the simple things. That's why your friends at Rubisco have developed their latest snack sensation with a concept that's as easy to eat as it is to comprehend. They've taken a ring-shaped corny shell and filled it with compressed popcorn dust. They're round, they're tasty, they're new cornholes.
Hey, Susie, your favorite TV show is on. What do you want to snack on while you watch?
Cornhole me, Daddy.
How about you, Bobby?
Yeah, cornhole me too, Daddy. Yeah.
No buts about it. People love those cornholes. Don't miss out on this new snacking craze. Dive face first into the taste that's sweeping the nation. Rubisco, we're cornholing America.
Bye and bye.
What kind of gas mileage you get in this, Ken?
Oh man, probably 12 miles per gallon. It's an energy efficient car, but not a fuel efficient car. It's got 3 moving parts in the drivetrain, unlike a regular internal combustion engine. But, you know, I've done some stuff to it. It wouldn't pass inspection in a state that has inspections, but luckily, I live in Tennessee, where you can drive any damn thing on the road, anything! Oh, you've seen the anythings driving down the road.